You know that feeling when you really want to listen to your favorite music while driving or going to work, but instead, you can't hear anything at all. This can happen because lots of car radios have a security system built in to stop people from stealing them. It's good for protecting your stereo, but sometimes it can accidentally prevent you from using it yourself. Thankfully, there's a simple solution to this problem that doesn't require you to be a tech wizard. So, how do you get your radio code? Well, I have a great resource to share with you. Just head over to www.cartecci.net and download their free guide on unlocking car radios. This comprehensive guide will walk you through various methods to obtain your car radio code for free, or even reset the radio without needing a code. It's an invaluable resource for car owners facing this dilemma. Don't miss out on this opportunity to regain access to your car radio without spending a penny.